much current out here. It needs to be on the rocks. And work it off the rocks. Come on, Mr. Jack, where you at, girl? Get it, girl. Yes, nice, bro, nice. Get up under there. So we're out here just trying to chase some jacks around up in this hard foliage here, and bit of a bycatch, some kind of blubber lip. Not a bad little fish, but we won't take him, we'll just let him go. We do have ice, we do intend to keep some fish today, but we'll let this bad boy go. You can get a fat lip, there you go. Happy days. Nope. Oh. What'd you see, Trevally?
Just a bit of gardening, mate.
Just fucking destroying the environment.
It's all good, mate.
Oh, I'm on. Oh, I had a hit straight away. Oh, on the drop. Oh no. Oh no. As it was falling, I got pumped.
Yeah, I had a hit too from a tree.
No, because I free spooled it.
Yeah. Do you want to go in again?
We can, yeah, man, 100%. All right, what time is it now? Almost 9.
Fuck it, yeah, near the top. Oh.
I reckon we jet down, right?
Down.
No. Oh, up then. No, down. That way. We'll jet down. There's a little sub creek there, and I've sight casted salmon on the low tide on the flats.
Nice.
So we'll go there, and we'll see if we can pull anything out of it. Oh, see that? You're right, man.
Ooh. Rocky bank and then we'll go.
Yeah, we'll work it to the next set of big trees where we can't really fish a bank anymore. Oh, yep. Caught, I think. Oh, Jack. Yes.
Maybe Jack.
First little jack of the morning, good start. We haven't actually been fishing in the prime time yet. We're still waiting for that tide change. But look, it's a nice little jack to start the day. Smaller profile bait. There's a fair bit of fresh in the system at the moment, so we thought we'd fish a little deeper, try and get away from the fresh, go into the salt, and it's paying dividends. So he's a little small. We'll get the hook out and we'll let him go. But that again, on the little norries there, just perfect. They love them. But we'll get the hook out and we'll let him go. Happy days. We'll get another one. Really?
Little something little tiny. Oh, just tip that.
Tip right.
Yep. Yeah, nice. Good set. Great set. Oh!
I think it's a trev, the way it's fighting.
Nope.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Bit of variety this morning. Nice little trev. Always a fun thing about chasing Jackson to bycatch, but we'll let him go. That was a good set.
Fuck yeah.
I was like,
you're up on your toes.
Yeah. Because there's too much slack line out. Oh! Said, yep.
Oh!
seen the flash. Go in there. Oh my God. I just got folded.
You just got pineapple.
Royally folded.
You got pineapple spiky and holy.
Fuck. Oh, time to re-rig.
Whoa, let's have a look right here. Look at that.
Yeah, oh. Pumped.
Dude, something's jiggling around just here. Like it's pushing out. Oh!
Look at them hunting out there, man.
Something like a shark or something.
I think it's tarpon, to be 100% honest with you. Dude, look at the salmon in this. Look at the little salmon up in the shallows there.
Oh.
No, not those ones. They were actually like that size, just cruising the shallows.
True. Oh yeah, look, yeah.
Oh, yep.
Nice bud. Nice bud.
Oh God. Just did a Chris and called myself a pill bag. Jack. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh!
Oh, double! Double! Oh.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, good Jack, double!
I haven't got my GoPro on.
Oh, bro, that's a stud. In horse. Oh, no, that's right. Good fish. I'm gonna...
Oh!
Come here. Come here.
Oh! Oh!
Double on Jacks!
Oh! Have a look at this thing, man! Have a look at this thing, man!
Woo!
Oh!
Double!
Fucking got me.
That's juicy! That is juicy!
Oh! Oh! This, my friend, is a mid-40 jack.
So a double on Jacks. Mine's not too big, but I'll tell you what.
Double Mangrove jacks any day of the week is a win.
That's awesome.
That's, mate, cheers.
That's awesome.
Cheers, fish cheers. Kiss. It's good luck, it's good luck.
Just do it.
How good is that? Love it.
All right, so we've just decided to hit another little section of the bank. We've done a bit of a move. And the first cast, double header on Jacks. Chris has got a bloody stud. I got a little one. And the very next cast, he banged that stud. So he's mid-40s, mine would be mid-20s, maybe late 20s, but I'll tell you what, a double Jack's a good Jack. That
Any
is,
day of the week.
That's some good stuff there.
Mate,
Well done, mate.
Teamwork.
Let's go, and we'll get a couple more.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Look at this thing.
It's all good now, we'll let him go away.
Come on. Okay, feeling good about this spot, feeling good.
Yeah, come on.
Pump up, focus.
Pump,
Game changer.
pump, pump, dump, pump, pump, pump. Get in it, man. Oh.
Oh, look at all that bait in it.
Oh, there's a big Jack. They're big Jacks, man. There's a bunch of Jacks hunting in there. Look at him. You can see him sitting there. Or is that a stick? Yep, I got one. Oh.
Oh, sorry, dude, sorry.
It's alright, it's alright. It's Trev, it's Trev, it's Trev.
Oh, hang on, hang on.
You're right. Okay. Oh no. Oh, we're good. I think so, yeah. Yeah, just a Trev. Dang it. Sorry. That was sick.
You just got overdrive mode.
Nice little Trev, which we thought was a bloody bunch of Jacks feeding in the shallows there, but it wasn't. But anyway, that's alright. Still good fun and tight country. Had a hit? It's alright. There he is there, look at him.
Put him in the middle, Trev.
We'll see him in about 10 years. Oof, God, he's bleeding. I mean, he's not even bleeding. Oh!
What are you on?
He's still... I got him! Whatever it is!
Cooter. Tarpon.
I got him! Oh, that was so sick!
Salmon? Tarpon.
Tarpon, big tarpon.
All day.
That was so sick. Dude, just have a cast out there. That was such a cool eat, man. That was so, so cool. Big one too.
Clean, look how clean he is.
That was so cool. Did you see them all just come up? That is so sick, man. That's a
nice
giant tarpon. We'll get the camera. Tell you what, we've been seeing a bunch of fish busting up all day out in the middle of the water, and I've called it for a tarpon. And I'll tell you what, they just busted up next to the boat, threw the lure in, and got that stud. Now it's got nothing compared to the American cousins, which are growing, 200 pounds, but that's considered a pretty big Australian tarpon. So we'll let him go. But that's pretty cool. Haven't caught one this size in a while.
Love
it. So sweet, they stink though. What's going on, guys? We're back at the house after what was a pretty good day. I got railed more times than I can really count. I decided to go a little bit lighter braid on the bait cast this time. I moved down from 25 pound down to 15 pound. And just for a bit more feel with the lures and stuff like that, but I feel like it was a little bit too light. As you can see, I did get smoked once by what both Chris and I called about a 45 centimeter jack, so it was a good fish. Had me wrapped before I even knew it. That tarpon was a welcome surprise. We saw them rolling all day, and I guess it was just perfect timing. That bunch of them busted up next to the boat. I flicked the lure, as you can see, and they just came out. Unfortunately, you don't get to see it in the footage, but there was a whole school of about 50 of them that came up that was swiping at my lure as I was working them. I really wish I got that on footage, but obviously, what can you do? That's just what happens. Now that it's warming up, the jacks will start becoming a little bit more active. Obviously, the barra aren't on the cards at the moment. If you do happen to catch one, just try and take it off and let it go as quick as possible. Obviously, we want to try and minimize the stress on the fish. I was lucky, I didn't actually hook one today, so that to me was a bit of a success, just because I really don't want to touch them while they're in their off season. Once again, guys, thank you for watching. Please give my channel a subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I appreciate it, I love it. The next video that I'm going to be doing is a little bit different. It's going to be more of a vlog style. I'm actually driving down, we're going on a road trip to pick something up. I'll reveal that in the next video, but stay tuned for that. It's actually super exciting. I can't wait, I'm so excited. So my partner and myself will be driving down. We leave Friday, and I will vlog the trip down, and then I will vlog the trip back up and hit you guys with the new video as soon as it drops, so keep an eye out for that. Next to the subscribe button, there is a notification button. Please hit that too, so you can keep up to date with everything that I'm posting. I'm going to be trying to drop a video once a week. Keep your eye out for that. We're pretty lucky here. We have the reef, we've got creeks, I've got fresh water, so let me know what you want to see as well in the comment section below. Like, there can be jungle perch, sooty grunner, more reef stuff, GTs on poppers, more creek stuff. Let me know, I'll make it happen. But once again, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you soon.